Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit black tone filter using Lightroom Mobile. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to 0.50. Contrast to +60. Highlights to +20. Shadows down to -10. -100 for whites. And blacks to +40. Go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to color. -25 for vibrance. And saturation down to -30. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Saturation to +16. And -10 for luminance. Next go to orange. Hue down to -10. And saturation +10. Go to yellow. -100 for hue and saturation. Next go to green. -100 for saturation. Next go to aqua. +100 for hue. And -100 for saturation. Bring the saturation to -100 for blue, purple and magenta. And done. Next go to effect. Texture to +10. Clarity to +20. and dehaze to +40. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 210 and saturation to 5 for a highlight. Bring the hue to 220 and saturation to 10 for shadows. And done. Now go to details. Noise reduction to 20. And finish. Now let's try and copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.